here I have my overall progress. I see that I have 3 tasks assigned to me, and I have submitted 1. Now going back to the tasks view, I see that, okay, this task has changed its status, and I have two more to go. Maybe one interesting thing to go over is the fact that we have here, as I said, for the cancer entities, I have added entity resolution codes, which are generated also by a model. And let me change here the view. So I am now able to group all of the entities by their name, entity name. For cancer diagnosis, for instance, here I have prostate adenocarcinoma. And here, if I have information about the code, ICD-O code, and the description, maybe, yeah, the description of the code. I'm also able to remove those information if they are not correct, and then search within ICD-O taxonomy for another code by you just typing in the name of the chunk that I want to identify. Okay, so now, for instance, if I update this, we'll see that I have tasks, different tasks in different statuses. Now, if we go and see the same project as a reviewer, let me quickly refresh. What will the reviewer view? So he will see that, okay, there is one task which was already finished by the annotator. And here he will have an option to add the review. He can either approve it or request changes, and here add a comment, for instance, check again the cancer diagnosis. Submit review. Okay, now in the tasks, okay, this particular task which was rejected by the reviewer will go back to in progress, and it will appear into the annotator queue again with the status to correct. Okay, so this is how the workflow is set up.